Hello viewers and welcome in new video. I will show you how to install wheel spacers on the Smart Roadster. Spacers don't just improve handling and stability, they also give the car a wider stance and a more aggressive look. If you are looking for a simple but impactful modification, this is it. So next modification to do is to place the wheel spacers. As you can see, this is original now, and you can see how far the wheels are inside, especially at front. I will just go backward so you can see the stance like this. Same on this side. You see? Here we have another roadster with 25 at back and 20 at front. And if we check the stance, see how more aggressive it looks. On this side, same. Much better. Also difference on this one is 205, 45, and on this one we have 195 profile of tires with 45, which is wrong, and that will be changed in the future. So here we have wheel spacers, quite light, 30 mil. This is parameters that you need to look. We will try to add them at the rear to see if we're gonna fit this gap. This is tool that we need: jack up, wrench, socket 15 for the bolts, and of course to secure the vehicle. Go back. I think I will put a little bit of spray on the drums just to give nicer look. Okay. This is original and this is from spacers, and if we check on the side, which is important, one for the spacer is much longer, but it will not overshoot the spacer, and another one is much shorter. So we will put the bolts through original wheel nuts area. We just put like this, then we position and we put bolts on. You can add the copper grease between, but soon I will take off again this wheel, so I will not replace for the moment. Let's put like this, and then we will apply 120 Newton meters torque on each bolt. This is good to recheck after 100 kilometers and retight once again. So 120 Newton meters. handbrake is not holding. Okay, that's it. Let's now put the wheel and check the distance. Okay. Make sure it is in place and aligned with the threads. Now we will add original back in place. We will tighten the bolts when we are in air, just a little bit, and then we will lower the car and retighten again. And this is final product, just in place. 30mm setback seems like enough. It's not overshooting the fender, and if I lower the car it will be even better. So let me show comparison from distance. Left side spacers, right side without space. More aggressive look for sure. This side stock, you can see the gap, it's huge. And on this side we have spacer, you see, much better. So this is finished product. As you can see, 30mm fits great. And this is overall look of the car after fitting. And this is another side. So far I think it's great. As you saw, wheel spacers can really transform the look of your car. But it's important to know the disadvantages before installing them on the Smart Roadster. First, spacers increase the stress on your wheel bearings and suspension components, which in theory could lead to faster wear. They also change the load on the bolts or studs, so poor quality spacers or incorrect installation can be dangerous. Another downside is that in some countries spacers may not be road legal unless they have proper certification. However, in my experience, this risk is often overstated. I installed spacers on another Smart Roadster over 5 years ago, running them with 17-inch wheels, and I haven't experienced a single issue with wheel bearings or handling. So while there are potential downsides, if you choose quality spacers and install them correctly, they can be safe and stylish modification. And that is it, the wheel spacers are installed and the Smart Roadster now has a wider and more aggressive stance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more Smart Roadster tips, mods and do-it-yourself projects. If you have any questions or want to share your own experience with spacers, drop a comment below. I love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, drive safe and see you in the next video.